Automation does what you tell it. Agents decide what to do on their own. This is where AI gets going. And this is the highest paying skill in the marketing right now. Let me show you how to build your first AI agent. Hey, Martin from Groton here. This is the last video from this series. The final skill, AI agent orchestration. McKinsey says 62% of companies are testing AI agents right now. 23% are scaling them. Top performers are 3 times more likely to be scaling agents. This is the edge. Let me show you the difference. On one side, you've got the automation. If this, then that. That's the logic. Fixed steps, handles one task. No decisions. On the other side, you've got agents. So it's goal-focused, adapts to context, and handles multiple tasks. Makes decision on its own. Here's an example. There's traditional automation. The lead fills in the form and they send the email. Waits for like 2-3 days and then send the email too. Fixed, rigid, that's it, that's the automation. The agent, on the other hand, the goal is turn this lead into a sales call. Agent research the company, figure out their role, scores the buying intent, writes a personal message, and picks the best channel. Email or LinkedIn, send it. Reads the responses and decide an action next to take. Keeps going until the goal is done or the lead is marked as cold. See the difference there? Agents have goals. They adapt. They decide. There are 4 types of marketing agents to start with. Type 1, the research agent. They watch the competitors. They track the industry news. They'll gather market data for you. They create reports. The second type is the content agents. They write your blog post, social media content, repurpose content into different formats. They'll optimize for search. Type 3, the engagement agents. So they will monitor your social mentions, they will reply to comments, talk to prospects, nurture relationships. Type 4 is your analytics agents. They'll check campaign performance. They'll find patterns in data. They'll suggest improvements. And they'll predict what's next. Here's how you can learn all this in just 2 weeks. So in week 10, you will study how the agents work. NA10 is good on that one. They've got like good tutorials for this. Learn the basics, planning, tools, memory, action. Build a simple agent. For example, something like research agent that watches one competitor. Test it. Does it run on its own? Does it reach the goal? In the week 11, you build your first real marketing agent. Pick one use case from your earlier work. Design how it works. Goal, tools, decision logic. Build it into NA10. Add human approval steps. Don't let it run fully free. Test for 1 week. Fix problems and improve. In the week 12, move on to production with monitoring. So you track the success rate, you time saved, the quality of the outcome, you document how the agent behaves and decides, then you present results to your team. Here's what the agent did, and here's the ROI. By the end of the week 12, you should have 1 AI agent running. It doesn't need to be perfect, it just needs to work and show value. Here's the full roadmap recap. 6 skills that will make you unstoppable. Let me bring it all together for you. So in week 1, we've got the prompt engineering. So master the RACE framework. Build the prompt library. That's the week 1. Your goal here is to be 80% usable output on the first try. Week 3 and 4, you got the workflow automation. So you pick the Zapier Make or NA10, just build 1 AI automation in production. Saves you at least 5 to 10 weeks per week. Week 5, 6, analytics. So in here, you're gonna learn the basics of data and tracking, build the revenue dashboard, and your goal here is to calculate ROI for any campaign. In week 7, you've got the problem versus solution. So you're gonna map marketing pain points to AI fixes. Build 3 to 5 business cases, and your goal here is to design a solution for any problem. In week 8 to 9, you're gonna look at strategic thinking. You're gonna build AI strategy and ROI framework. You're gonna present that to leadership, and your goal here is to executive-ready strategy deck. In the final week, 10 to 12, you're gonna start building AI agents. So you're gonna build and deploy your first agent. Look, I'm not going to promise you're gonna make 40K rise in next 12 weeks. That would be dishonest. But here's what I know. Marketers with those 6 skills are in a different position than those who don't. The market rewards scarcity, and right now, these skills are scarce. AI is not a trend. It's a basic shift in how marketing work gets done. The marketers who build these skills in 2026 will have unfair advantage. Not forever, but for the next 2-3 years. That's a huge window in career terms. So, which side do you want to be? I made a free download for you, a full 12-week roadmap, a week-by-week, tool-by-tool, plus prompts, templates, and an ROI calculator. Link in the description below. If you are a B2B marketing leader, if you want my team to build these systems for you, we run a 90-day AI transformation sprint for funded B2B brands. We build AI automations, train your team, and transfer the knowledge. To book a call, check the link in the description below. My advice? Just start. Pick one skill out of these, maybe prompt engineering. Spend this week building your prompt library. Don't wait for your company to train you. Don't wait for the right time. It won't come. Thanks for watching the full series. If you found this valuable, subscribe. I post new videos weekly. No fluff, just practical AI and systems. See you on the next one.